Hi guys, it's Doug. Uh, Day 5, I think it is, on this old Ford F100 custom, welded in the floor pans. Uh, Friend of mine from the UK, which y'all know, Mick Bowers, uh, he wanted to see some welding videos. Um, this is the best I could do. Um, Being in tight quarters and stuff, you can't really see that much and everything. And I ain't no welder, guys. I'm far from being a welder, a certified welder, whatever. I'm just a DIY guy working in my backyard, playing around. Sorry if you hear my grandkids out here. They're out here playing and everything. And I'm going to try to do a little bit of welding. And hopefully it don't mess up my camera. But let's get with it. I got this welder turned down all the way as far as I can. But it still wants to burn through. I got the wire speed all the way cranked up. And for some unknown reason, it wants to burn right through it. There we go. Couple little holes. I'll get them straightened up. That's what we do. That's how I do it. Y'all can give me any suggestions about it and everything. This is a flux core welder, Harbor Freight, turned down all the way. Wire speed's up on 5. Maybe I might have the wire speed up too fast or whatever. But y'all can give me some suggestions, kindly suggestions. I do appreciate it very much. We'll hit you all up later on, and thank you very much, and God bless y'all. We'll see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.